Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. You're watching CID News Network Islamabad. This is Salwa Shams with today's headlines. Prime Minister Imran Khan is chairing a National Security Committee meeting, which is being attended by senior officials of the civilian and military leadership. The NSC will deliberate on Pakistan's internal and external security, border management, the evolving situation in Afghanistan, and take important decisions. International flights resumed to and from Kandahar airport on Thursday, weeks after they were suspended in August amid clashes between the Taliban and Ashraf Ghani's government. October 8 is observed as the National Resilience Day in the country to express solidarity with the people of Azad Jammu and Kashmir, Khyber Pakhtunkhwa and Islamabad who lost their near and dear ones in devastated October 2005 earthquake. Tanzanian writer Abdul Razak Gurnah won the 2021 Nobel Prize in Literature for his uncompromising and compassionate penetration. The World Bank has lowered Pakistan's GDP growth prospectus to 3.4% from the current fiscal year as the government refocuses on mitigating external pressure and managing long-standing fiscal challenges. The IMF asked Pakistan to take additional taxation measures in the shape of income and sales taxes and regularity duty to pull up the annual tax collection target from rupees 5.8 trillion to 6.3 trillion. At least 26 people lost their lives due to the novel coronavirus infection, while 912 fresh infections have been reported in the last 24 hours. Pakistani all-rounder Shoaib Malik set another record on Thursday as he became the first Asian batsman to complete 11,000 runs. That's all from today's headlines. Keep watching CID News Network Islamabad. Thank you.
You are watching CID News Network Islamabad.